Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here to talk how to protect the environment. There are three ways to protect our environment. First way is reuse, reduce, and recycle, and second way is reforestation, and third way is renewable energy. Shall I start? First way is reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, choosing product with less packing and avoid single use plastic whenever possible. And second point is reuse. Use uh, purpose containing container bags, plastic bags, material instead of discarding then after one use. And third is recycle. Short paper, plastic, glass, and metal collectively so they re-enter the supply chain. And second is renewable energy. There are two parts. First is solar power and second is wind power. Wind power, like a windmills to running a air, and a single modern turbine can power over 900 homes from fully year. And second, solar power. Rooftop and utility scale solar now generate electricity. And third is reforestation. Reforestation, planting the tree. Uh, Reforestation, there are three types: plant, grow, and restore. First, plant. Uh, Natives is sapling to local soil and rainfall establish fast. And second is grow. Community watering and uh, protection throughout the first two seasons. And third is restore. Nature's tree establish soil, host life, wildlife, and observe CO2 from discard. Thank you.